Pokemon.com. Ooh, that's a good one. Should we do a Squirtle, guys?
Yeah, I'll go this one.
All right, let's go to the studio, huh?
Yeah.
Breadies, are you ready to draw what?
Squirtle.
Squirtle! We're in studio. We're ready to go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What do they need, buddy? What do they need to get started? A marker or something to draw with and a piece of paper. All right, let's get started. All right, Breadies, let's get started on our Squirtle. So easy and fun. Let's do the head. Perfect. Next step, do the bottom of the mouth. It goes
I
out.
already did that, so I'm waiting.
I know, Weston got ahead of me, so he's waiting. All right, perfect, dude. Now, top of the mouth is this like little beak triangle thing. And then we're just gonna curve it down on both sides, like a smile. Perfect. All right, now, Breadies, we're gonna connect the bottom of the mouth. Booyah! All right, now he's got these little nose lines for his like little nose. Super easy. Now he's got these cute big eyes. We just do these little curved bottom of the eyes. And then we're just gonna bring it up and around, Breadies. Whoop. And the second one. Whoop. And if we're going too fast, Breadies, what do they do, Wes? Just rewind.
Yeah, just rewind.
Add your two little eyebrows there. Now let's do the eyeballs. We're gonna go a line up on the side and a line up on the side. So easy. Then we're gonna do circles that we're gonna leave white. Like that. Whee! Cool. Now, he's got this like curved line on the bottom of his eye. So just add those. Really easy. And then these parts, Breadies, are going to be black. So we just fill those in black. Ready, Breadies? Fill them in. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop. And the other one. Easy. And how's it looking, Breadies? Is yours looking so cute? Awesome. Oh, and finish up with the tongue. Just a curved line there and a curved line there. And then don't worry if it's not perfect. We'll clean that up at the end. All right, now let's move to his body. So we're gonna do these cute little arms. Basically right where the tongue is, we're just gonna do a curved line out like that. That's where his arm meets his shell. And then, Breadies, same thing on the other side. Right about where that tongue is, we're just gonna do another curved line there. And so now we're gonna go right where his cheek is. We're just gonna go over. And then he's got like these two triangles for his little cute hands. 1, 2, and then connect it. And then a little like thumb triangle right there. So cute. All right, now we're gonna do his cute other arm right here. Same thing, about where his cheek is. Just gonna take it out. 1 triangle, and then 2 more. Whoop. Whoop. And then bring it on down. I love drawing the Pokemon because they're so simple. I love it. So easy. We're just gonna go down and around. This one, instead of going out, is gonna go in because it's where his shell is. So we're gonna go the same way that one did. Ready? So cute. So we're gonna start the curve of the bottom leg like that. And the same thing over here to show him like sitting down on his shell. So little curved line, and then just connect this at the bottom. Perfect. All right, Breadies. Our shell is complete. It looks so good. Let's just finish our 2 feet because it's going to be super easy. So these are just like the arms, nice and round. We're just going to go out and down Weston, let me get my boy hooked up. Out and down. Same thing below here, buddies. Out and down. We're just going to do 3 triangles again. The big toe, the middle toe, and the baby toe. And then just bring that back. This foot, we're actually going to see the bottom of it, buddies. So it's kind of coming towards us. So to give that effect, we really just going to do like a bump and another little bump. So good. All right, now we're going to do the bottom of his foot. So this is kind of like a curve up to the triangle, and then a triangle, 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 just like that. And then, buddies, we just connect it. Just like that. See this line here, buddies? We're just going to match it for the white part of his shell. So just match it straight up. Wes, just match it straight up. So easy. Then we need his cute orange shell, which is just a curved line from here to here. Ready?
I got the white as a part of his shell.
Yeah, it's like the white little curved part of his shell, and then this part's orange. All right, buddies, it's looking good. We're almost done. This is a super fun part. It's a big curly tail, like a spiral. So we just go up.
What about the middle?
Around.
What about the middle?
And in. Yeah. And then we just connect it down to the foot. All right, what's left, Wes?
The inside.
Yeah, we got to give him this like turtle shell look, which again, it could look kind of difficult, but if you do one line at a time, buddies, it's super easy. All right, so the first line we're going to do is a straight line right under his mouth. So not a straight line, but a curved line. Just how his face curves, just curve with it. Boom. Good job, Weston.
Boom.
Boom. All right. Now, we're going to take this middle line down to about here. But we need
a dot.
Yeah, we'll do a dot. Do a dot, leave some space here, and do a dot. Because we need to make a triangle. You'll see boop and boop at the bottom. And then connect this straight up. So easy and fun. Good job, Weston. All right, same thing here, Wes. Buddies at home, imagine a line through the middle and do a dot there. And the same thing on the other side, a dot there. This will help you connect the line like that and then set you up for your triangle to finish it off. So up, down.
Daddy.
You did it, Wes. So cool. All right, buddies, that is our Squirtle. So easy and so fun. We're going to fast forward this part and get to the most fun part, which is
Coloring
it. All right, let's color.
Sky.
3, 2, 1. Show them your Squirtle. I like Weston's colors better than mine. I'm not going to lie. He did the bright yellow. It looks fantastic. Did you have fun with this one, Weston?
Yeah.
Weston promised you guys a Squirtle when we did our Pokemon video. And we did Pikachu. And he came through on his promise. He said he's going to do a Squirtle for you guys.
And we have a marker mess.
We do have a marker mess. We have a marker mess for sure. All right, Breddies. We hope you had so much fun. Weston, say bye, Breddies.
Bye, Betty.
We'll see you soon. Oh, go watch the Pikachu one. That one's up. It's super cool.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Go high five.
Cute.
And cute. Cool and cool cute?
Yeah.
Cool cute. New word. Boom. That was a good high five, dude.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, they can subscribe if they want. Huh? All right. Good job, dude.
Now just outline it.